drumsticks. Parang, it would be so cool to get one of those.
Actually, it's true.
But I've never. And also, I don't wanna duke it out with the other concert goers. Kasi
That's-
usually yan tulakan, di ba? Just to be able to get it.
Di ba yung favorite,
At set list lang eh.
yung favorite kwento ko, nung binato ni Alden yung cup niya,
Nasalo mo?
nakuha ni Gino. Tapos binigay niya doon sa katabi niya. Sabi ko, hindi mo sa akin binigay. Bakit doon some random girl? It's like, di ba ako yung kasama mo? Bakit mo pinamigay? Sabi niya, aanhin ko yon. Kaya nga, pero that was not my point. My point was, bakit mo pinamigay sa ibang tao?
Mali ba niya na gusto mo din? Hindi mo agad sinabi.
Alam naman mga pag-agawang pa ako sa mga
Yan naman yung pagkabigay. Hindi, akin yan.
akin yan. Siya nakapagsabo na
Oh,
pagpa.
can you imagine?
And from Victoriano, my secret drawer has my weapons in case of a zombie apocalypse. It's got a hatchet, crowbars, machetes, a combat knife, and a rifle.
My gosh.
Gosh.
Prepared for battle.
Pero yun nga, well, they're the ones who survived.
Yeah.
Like remember yung sa... Did you watch The Last of Us?
Yeah.
See, remember that guy who has all the...
Yeah.
Kumpleto siya ng gamit?
Oh, yun ang yun ang lodi.
Ay, kaya nga,
Oo.
diba?
Pero syempre, you don't really think of that, like, under normal circumstances.
Or the one... Did you watch the one yung kala Julia Roberts? The one na yung parang end of the world.
Yeah.
That one, what's
I forget the
called again?
title, but
But
yes.
that one, remember when nung towards the end, they went to the house of one of their neighbors. Kompleto siya ng mga
Kompleto.
guns. Pero the guy was pointing the gun at them. It's like, nope,
You're not getting it.
you're not. I mean, there's a reason why I kept all of these whenever.